Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the brush on the Photopea app. If you want to edit your photo and use different colors on the brush, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. Find the Photopea app, now open it. Now tap on to the simple editor button right here. Then tap on to choose from library. Now tap on to one photo that you want to edit. Now to change the color of the brush, here we can find the pencil icon at the top right corner. Now select it. Here we can see there are different kinds of colors of the brush. Now choose one of the colors of the brush, however you like it. Then simply draw on the picture just like this. Now choose whatever color you like and start drawing. And that's it. This is how you can change the color of the brush on the Photopea app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.